Human beings are social animals. Surprise! Our very existence depends on our ability to form a group identity to protect one another against nature and against competitors. The process of forming tribes requires a weeding out, meaning acceptance of those whose contributions add value, as well as those who threaten the group. Although social outcasts can contribute solutions, complex situations generally require the active participation of all impacted parties. Teamwork is a fundamental requirement for collaboration. That implies team members forming and fostering relationships, finding common ground, and building consensus around ideas. It also implies allowance for renegade team members, those who are critical of new ideas and focus on the risk of change. The power of teamwork lies not in conformity, but in the diversity of ideas and the synergy of the group. Our ability to work with teams is based on our social skills. What constitutes a soft skill or social skill varies depending on which authority you consult. The only agreement that the various authorities have is that soft skills are a common set of abilities. Many maintain that it is this set of abilities that defines humanity. So in the context of running a collaborative conversation, team members need social skills to support each other, to create a sense of unity, to enable problem solving, to stimulate activity or attendance creativity, to enhance understanding of goals and objectives, to listen to each other for intent, to solicit contributions from each participant. Now, to be clear, it's not necessarily the job of one participant to lead the group. The distribution of these skills among the team is relatively irrelevant. What's important is that one or more of the participants apply these social skills as appropriate. In a collaborative conversation, the person, quote, leading, unquote, the conversation has to do so with the support of the other participants. The leading and contributing roles can switch between participants at any point in time. That's one of the tenets of a self-organizing team, which is one of the staples of the Agile philosophy. It's also critical for any collaborative conversation. Working in such an environment relies heavily on your social skills. Now, some people are just naturally collaborative conversationalists. Other people, like the rest of us, one author definitely included, can achieve similar results by increasing our understanding of basic human communication. Since he was a software developer in his younger years, he had to learn how to become a human being before he was able to collaborate with colleagues. Only after that acclimatization was he qualified to facilitate workshops. Social skills help us make the best use of our time and of that of those attending our get-togethers. This whole chapter is going to look at personality traits, attitudes, and behaviors that ease facilitation.